See, this is Friday, the 19th of July. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. We have Dooley walking away from me. He just heard me turn on the camera. He's camera shy. Then we have Honey and Mungo in the yard. And Sadie and Dylan in the other yard. Dylan is Mungo's litter mate. So far it's a quiet morning. We're going to get everybody in the pool later, I think. At least the ones that want to go. It's amazing how sensitive Dooley is. He heard the camera turn on and he immediately walked away. He didn't want his picture taken. Ralph, you there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.